Hello my subscribers, my lovely subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a video where I am cleaning up my kitchen. I got washing up to do, sorry about my messy kitchen. The fan is rolling up here, it's a bit dirty. And that's my fridge. So I'm cleaning up almost everything before a big trip is coming over. And yes, so I'm gonna show you in a minute after I wash up all the dishes. So this is the second half of the cleanup of the kitchen. I have cleaned up all the dishes, washed up all the dishes there. So it's all drying up there. And I will be back in a minute after I dry everything up, and I'll show you where I store all my dishes. That's how I store all my crockeries, glassware. And that's my table on top. It's a bit messy at the moment.